This is the 5th video of AI image generation masterclass series, and this is a killer one. Let me show you one method using which you will be able to clean up this kind of image to this one. Using only a single prompt, I removed this cage and now I have a clean image of this land. Let me show you this method. You will be able to utilize this particular prompt and you will be also able to get similar result. Now currently I'm in Google homepage and let me open ChatGPT, and there we are going to use new image generation model of OpenAI, that is GPT Image 1.5. What to do here? First of all, I'll click on this particular button and there I will upload my image. I have selected this particular image, a lion in cage, and now you can see this is the image. Now best part of this method is the prompt. I have pasted that prompt here. Remove the cage and iron grills from this image. Rules: reconstruct background naturally, keep lighting consistent, do not change the main subject, output realistic retouch. And what I'll do, I'll click on this particular plus sign and I'll click on create image. So now ChatGPT understand I'm working on an image and I gave the prompt and my photo is also here. Let me click on this button and let's see what it does this time. Earlier I utilized the same prompt and same image and I already shown you the output. Now let's see this time what's the output it generates. You can use the same prompt in other tools using which you generate images. Maybe Google Nano Banana, you can also try the similar prompt and it should work. Let me know your experience once you'll try that particular prompt in other tools also. Currently it is now generating the image and it should be giving us the right output. Yes. Now see this image. Earlier we gave this image where this lion was inside the cage, and now this is the output. If you have worked in Photoshop earlier and you worked on this type of a problem, you know how much time we just saved. Just using one prompt, we are getting this output. So using this particular new model of OpenAI, we are able to get this kind of output. Let me know what's your view. What do you think about this performance of this model? And also let me know if you are able to get similar output using this prompt in other LLM models also. If you found this particular video useful, please subscribe to my channel so that it will be a great support for me. Also, I'm now in process to publish multiple videos as part of this AI image generation masterclass series. If you have not watched the other videos, check out this video where I shown using any of the image, how can you change it to a different typographical image using similar prompts. Check out this video to know everything about it.